Are you planning a trip to Howth Island? Stay tuned to discover the top 9 things you must do in this charming town. Welcome to the enchanting town of Howth, nestled on the emerald coastline of Ireland. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, rich history and friendly locals, Howth is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. From its rugged cliffs to its historic architecture, this picturesque town offers an array of unique and exciting experiences. Get ready to embark on a journey through Howth's winding streets, savoring the tantalizing aroma of local cuisine, listening to the harmonious tunes of Irish folk music, and feeling the crisp sea breeze on your face. We have handpicked 9 must-visit spots that encapsulate the heart and soul of Howth, each promising a unique adventure and unforgettable memories. From exploring the lush bog of the frogs to visiting the iconic Howth Lighthouse, there's something for everyone in Howth. Now let's dive into the top 9 things you must do in Howth Island. Starting at number 9, we have the Bog of the Frogs. Nestled within the heart of Howth, this quirky locale is more than just its unique name. It's a captivating blend of peatland and freshwater marshes, making it an essential visit for any nature enthusiast. This ecological treasure is teeming with a rich variety of flora and fauna, from vibrant wildflowers to the lively amphibians that lend the bog its name. In fact, it's one of the largest remaining wetland areas in County Dublin, playing a crucial role in local biodiversity. Now, why is it a must-see? Well, imagine immersing yourself in nature. The sound of croaking frogs your only company, the smell of damp earth and wildflowers filling your senses. It's a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its unique name and scenery, the Bog of the Frogs is a must on your trip to Howth. At number 8, we have the historic St. Mary's Abbey. Set in the heart of Howth, this abbey has stood tall since the 14th century. Its history is as fascinating as its architecture. The abbey was once a collegiate church, a place of learning and worship that was home to a community of priests. Its ruins today whisper tales of the past, of centuries gone by, and of the rich heritage of Ireland. The abbey is a testament to the resilience and determination of those who built it, their legacy etched in every stone. Its location, high on the hillside, offers a breathtaking view of the Irish Sea, adding to its ethereal charm. A walk through the Abbey's grounds is like stepping back in time, a journey into a bygone era. It's a place where history comes alive, where every corner has a story to tell. For history enthusiasts, St. Mary's Abbey is a must-visit. Coming in at number 7 is the National Transport Museum. Nestled in the heart of Howth, this hidden gem is a treasure trove of Ireland's transport history. With an impressive collection of over 200 exhibits, the museum offers a journey through time, charting the evolution of transport in Ireland from the horse-drawn era right up to modern times. Imagine standing in the presence of vintage fire engines, double-decker buses, and trams that once trundled along Howth streets. It's not just about looking, though. The museum encourages a hands-on experience, letting you get up close and personal with these fascinating relics of the past. Did you know that the museum's oldest artifact is a horse-drawn tram car dating back to the 1860s? Or that it's run entirely by volunteers? Now that's passion for history. For those with an interest in transport and history, this museum is a must-see. At number 6, we have the beautiful Claremont Beach. Nestled in the heart of Howth, Claremont Beach is a hidden gem that offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. This small, sandy beach is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a quick dip in the sea if you're feeling brave. The beach is surrounded by natural beauty, with stunning views of Ireland's Eye and Lambay Island in the distance. It's also a popular spot for water sports enthusiasts, with a thriving local community of surfers and paddleboarders. An interesting fact about Claremont Beach is that it's a designated area of scientific interest, thanks to its unique coastal habitats and diverse range of wildlife. So whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or just someone looking for a peaceful spot to unwind, Claremont Beach has something for everyone. For beach lovers, Claremont Beach is a must-visit. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the majestic Howth Castle. This grand structure is steeped in history, its roots stretching back to the 12th century. Over the centuries, the castle has been the backdrop of numerous power struggles and historical events, each contributing to the rich tapestry of its past. The beauty of Howth Castle lies not just in its grand architecture, but in the stories that echo through its halls. Rumor has it that the castle is home to a ghost, a phantom piper who can be heard playing his haunting tunes in the dead of night. Visitors to the castle can explore its stunning grounds, which include a charming rhododendron garden. And don't miss the opportunity to indulge in a traditional afternoon tea in the castle's kitchen. With its blend of history, mystery and beauty, Howth Castle is a must-see when exploring Howth. For a touch of royalty, make sure to visit Howth Castle. At number 4, we recommend exploring the Howth Hills. These hills are more than just mounds of earth. They are a testament to the rich geological history of Ireland, offering a physical timeline that spans millions of years. The Howth Hills are a dream come true for anyone with an adventurous spirit. They offer a diverse range of trails, from leisurely strolls to challenging hikes, each one providing a unique perspective of the lush Irish landscape. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Dublin Bay, the city skyline, and on a clear day, you might even spot the distant Wicklow Mountains. This verdant playground is also home to a variety of wildlife, including foxes, rabbits, and a myriad of bird species. So don your hiking boots, pack a picnic, and let the Howth Hills allure you with their natural charm. For nature and hiking enthusiasts, Howth Hills is a must. Coming in at number 3 is the stunning Howth Summit. This natural gem, nestled in the heart of Howth Island, is a spectacle that leaves visitors breathless. The summit, standing proud and tall, offers a panorama that is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine a bird's eye view of the emerald Irish landscapes, the azure sea stretching out as far as the eye can see, and the charming Howth town below. The Howth Summit isn't just about the view, though. It's also a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of nature. It's a place where the wind whispers tales of ancient folklore, and the air is filled with the scent of wildflowers. The summit's walking trails are a haven for those who seek serenity and solace in the great outdoors. Did you know that the Howth Summit is also a favorite among locals for its stunning sunrise and sunset views? Yes, the sky here paints a picture that words often fail to describe. For the best views in town, head to Howth Summit. At number 2, we have the breathtaking Howth Head. Just a stone's throw away from the bustling city of Dublin, Howth Head is a tranquil oasis of natural beauty. This peninsula offers some of the most stunning sea views you'll ever witness, with the Irish Sea stretching out as far as the eye can see. Howth Head isn't just about the views, though. It's also home to a wealth of wildlife. From the fluttering seabirds to the playful seals, nature lovers will be in their element here. And let's not forget the flora. With a vibrant array of wildflowers blooming in the spring and summer, it's a riot of color that's sure to delight. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Howth Head is its history. This was the location that inspired James Joyce to pen the opening lines of his masterpiece, Ulysses. So whether you're a literature buff or simply someone seeking serenity, Howth Head has something for everyone. For a scenic walk, make sure to visit Howth Head. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic Howth Lighthouse. This sentinel of Ireland's coastline is steeped in history and character. Constructed in the early 19th century, it stands as a testament to Ireland's maritime past. This beacon of light has guided countless sailors home through the Irish Sea's capricious waves. The Howth Lighthouse isn't just a historical monument, it's a symbol of the town's enduring spirit. It's a must-see for its panoramic views of the sea and the Dublin Bay, a site that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. Interesting fact, the Howth Lighthouse was initially run on candle power before it transitioned to oil and finally to electricity. Its light has been shining brightly for nearly 200 years, and it doesn't show signs of dimming anytime soon. For the ultimate Howth experience, don't miss out on the Howth Lighthouse. Its charm, history, and stunning views make it a crowning jewel in Howth's rich tapestry. And there you have it, the top 9 things you must do in Howth Island. From the natural beauty of the Bog of the Frogs, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, to the historic St. Mary's Abbey, a testament to Ireland's rich history. Don't forget to hop into the National Transport Museum, a journey through the country's transport evolution. Take a stroll along the serene Claremont Beach, or wander the grounds of the majestic Howth Castle, each offering a unique slice of Irish charm. The Howth Hills and Howth Summit, with their breathtaking views and invigorating hikes, are a paradise for outdoor lovers. The picturesque Howth Head provides a stunning seascape that's hard to forget. And finally, the iconic Howth Lighthouse, standing tall and proud as a beacon of Ireland's maritime heritage. Each of these 9 attractions offers a unique experience, a piece of the Irish soul, and a memory to cherish. So pack your bags and start planning your adventure to Howth Island. You won't want to miss these top 9 attractions. Thank you for watching until the end. Your support truly means a great deal to us. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them in the comments section. Additionally, if you enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up. Click the like button. This sends a signal to YouTube that there's interest in this video, helping it reach a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Ireland. Thanks once more and stay tuned for more exciting content.